with a world exclusive and live from Newcastle and the YI Theatre, I would like to introduce you to Donnie and Marie Osmond. Hey, we're Donnie and Marie Osmond. Welcome to the ServiceNow Utah Release Notes, our favorite city in the whole of the United States of America.
Donnie, can we sing the Utah song?
Just not yet, Marie, just not yet. So, here we go. We're going to show you tonight, going straight across the United Kingdom and Northern Ireland, to go and show you what is the best new features in the ServiceNow Utah releases.
Donnie, can we sing the Utah song now?
At the end, Marie, at the end. So what we're going to do, I just want to thank a lot of people for this opportunity, especially going back to Rome for Caesar, going to Anchorman with the San Diego release, and also more recently, we had Ash in Pokemon for Tokyo. Thank you. But now the real show, action, and lights are going to start. And that's with us taking you straight over to Leicester with Martin, who's going to talk about the platform new releases. Over to you, Martin. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Martin Reimel, and when I'm not reading ServiceNow release notes, I like to pop on a little Jimmy Osmond wig and talk about the exciting new platform features of the Utah release. When I'm not pretending to be from Liverpool to impress the ladies, I can't get enough of foundation data quality. I guess like me, you're excited to learn that identification and reconciliation rules can now be applied to some non-CMDB tables like the location and user tables, and all tables in application scopes. Increased automation governance of platform data is something that you'll love for a reason. And for you lovers of software, asset and hardware management, check out the features to help automate maintenance schedules and the retirement and reclamation of assets. The Utah release makes asset donations to charitable organisations possible through the Hardware Asset Workplace with a brand new workflow. Insert Osmond's pun here. Finally, every long-haired lover's favourite topic, let's integrate, baby. Integration Hub has a number of enhancements, including Stream Connect for Apache Kafka and for the ability to test REST and SOAP steps. That's nice. All in all, you'll love this release for many reasons. In fact, the latest enhancements will have you going crazy. Horses. Crazy horses. Can we do that again?
Wow, there were so many good features in there, Martin, for the Now platform. I cannot wait to start seeing them. So we're going to be quicking this up now, and we're going to go straight over to Telford to see Amy, and she's talking about HR. That's human resources. Right, over to you. See you later.
Yo. My name is Amy Marchant, and I'm here to tell you all about the HRSD enhancements that ServiceNow are making in their Utah release. I really do love these new features. Some might call it puppy love, but I think you'll find that these are the real deal. The one I'm most excited about is almost as striking as a long-haired lover from Liverpool. Workforce Optimization for HR is a new application in the Utah release. Let me tell you, it's certainly going to boost team productivity. You can gain real-time visibility into work items, escalations, and KPIs by each channel, so you can manage for optimal performance. You're also able to manage normal work shifts and on-call shifts from one centralised experience, track shift coverage, swaps, and time off requests. Now, we all know that you can't live a dream without proper forecasting, so you'll be able to model demand scenarios to analyse impact to agent schedules and update forecasts to properly staff for demand surges. Your agent might be screaming, "Let me in!" and you'll be able to empower them by providing skills they need to succeed by leveraging internal and external learning management platforms. Now, I've got another new application I'm super excited about. What could it be, I hear you ask? Well, it's HR service delivery integration with Workday Learning. This new application is going to pull learning tasks and to-dos from Workday Learning into ServiceNow, so employees can view all of their learning tasks from their unified employee portal. Pretty nifty, right? Those crazy horses at ServiceNow haven't stopped there. There's a third new application for this release. I know, it's like falling in love with the platform all over again. This application provides a seamless experience to track and manage onboarding activities for contingent workers. Pull contingent workers from Magnet application into a Now platform instance and create onboarding tasks that can be completed by contingent workers from Now platform instance. You can also create custom flows for various use cases, For example, trigger a lifecycle event for creating HR cases and notifications in Now Platform instance to manage contingent workers onboarding. I hope you're as excited as I am about these new features. They really provide you with a one-way ticket to anywhere, because the world works with ServiceNow. Thanks for listening. We love ServiceNow for a reason.
Wow, that was absolutely insightful. Can't believe it, Marie.
Awesome, just awesome.
I know, this keeps getting better and better and better. Right, next one, we are going to go over to Fairford and we are going to see George Roberts. Over to you, George. See you soon.
Hi, this is George Roberts, or as some call me, Merrill Osmond, the later years. Wow, just wow. This is huge. I'd like to thank the team at the Latter-day Saints of ServiceNow for their continuing and huge commitment to the CSM space. Let's have a quick look at the awesome enhancements coming in the Utah release of this crazy horse of a product. Yo-yo. That's what your digital chat clients might have been saying, but no more, with the advent of callback from chat, delivering a never-ending song of love for your clients as they choose when you call them. Customers love to chat when going home, but even with traffic in my mind, I can use Google Messages now to reach you. No longer will they think, are you up there? When you say, he ain't heavy, he's my brother, it might not be totally understood by agents. They could be thinking, what could it be? So ServiceNow Saints have provided real-time voice transcription for Amazon Connect, so you can answer the question, what could it be? Wouldn't you rather be down by the lazy river than thinking, I can't stop, when searching through customers' complex support requirements? Well, through the years, the ServiceNow Saints have seen this problem and delivered. Let me into this awesome base foundation, giving you a comprehensive view of the installed base to support complex products. Pine cones and holly berries, it's time we were having a party. As you can use service definitions to establish end-to-end connections between your products, services, and case types. That's the proud one for many of you, I'm sure. So whilst in this update, it's mostly double loving, there's always one bad apple or so, such as customer service management for orders, which is no longer supported, much like the old CSM workspace, which is scheduled for full deprecation in future releases. So as I get my one-way ticket to anywhere, because I can't live a dream, I've been Merrill Osmond on ServiceNow Latter-day Saints Utah release. I'm still going to need you, so see you next time.
That was so good, George. Thank you so much for the explanation on CSM. I cannot wait, like the other ones, to actually get involved and see what's happening there. So we're near the end of the countdown of the Utah release. But we've got...
Donny, are we ready to sing the Utah song?
We've still got one more to go, Marie. One more to go. So for the last time today, we're going to go over to... Who can I forget?
Stuart.
Stuart, and that is IRM, isn't it?
It sure is.
Integrated Risk Management, for those who don't know the abbreviation. Okay, right, so we're going to go over to Scotland and we are going to see Stuart. Over to you, Stuart.
Stuart Burnley here, sporting a funky new look to talk about the IRM features within the Utah release. So let me give you my top three. First of all is what I would call many-to-many. So now you're able to test a control once and link it to many entities. You're able to consolidate your issues, so you can have one issue linked to multiple controls or control objectives or authority documents or policies. Now that's pretty cool, and I know I'm working with a number of clients that will love that new feature. Secondly, we have the operational resilience workspace, which will improve the user experience for all those that are using the funky operational resilience platform. And last but by no means least, you now have out-of-the-box functionality to allow you to assess risk appetite. So once you've done your inherent and your residual assessment, you'll be able to see where that risk sits against your appetite and take actions accordingly. All pretty cool stuff, so hopefully you will enjoy using it.
Wow, it feels like we've had so many good, insightful features for the Utah release notes.
It's been amazing.
It's been so good. I just want to thank everybody who's been involved in this, and we cannot wait to actually get involved to our customers to show you more new features of the Utah release. It's going to be coming soon.
Donny,
yes?
Can we sing the Utah song now?
It's about time. Let's do it. So, the Utah release song is happening now. Let's do it, Marie.
Well, I'm going back. Utah.